You're receiving the CyberStream System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, beware of this dangerous Android malware. Do you rely on Android devices for your business? A new form of Android malware puts countless users at risk for data breaches and financial loss. McAfee antivirus software is one of the most prolific forms of protection against viruses and other forms of malware. By tricking people into thinking they're downloading McAfee programs, hackers infect their devices with the Vultur banking Trojan. If you install this fake antivirus software onto your device, you become subject to a data breach and possible identity theft. Vultur uses command and control communication to give hackers the power of accessibility services exploitation, file management and app control, screen recording, and keylogging. With new threats like the Vultur Android malware running rampant, business owners must prioritize cybersecurity. Educate your workforce on emerging threats and warning signs of viruses, phishing scams, or malware. Become adept at patch management to prevent hackers from stealing your data. Ensure that only apps from legitimate sources are installed to avoid falling victim to a cyber attack. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, beware of smishing and app abuse. You're likely aware of phishing scams, but what about smishing? This refers to deceptive messages that cybercriminals send via text rather than email. Their ultimate goal is to have users fall for the message and click the malicious link. For example, you might get a text from a sender claiming to be your bank. The message says you must confirm your account number and prompts you to click a link. The link often contains malware or impersonates the bank, so users give out their personal information. Second, keep software up to date. When did you last install a software update on your phone or computer? Failing to keep your devices up to date puts you at risk for new threats and vulnerabilities that hackers may abuse. Microsoft, Apple, and Google continuously monitor potential threats and release new updates called patches that combat them. And third, report suspicious messages. Never open attachments in strange emails or text messages. Instead, alert an IT professional who can mitigate the threat. Hackers use deception to steal user information, so be extra vigilant about each message you receive. For more information on this story or how CyberStreams can help you understand your CyberFit score using our proprietary CyberFit assessment, check out the description or comments accompanying this content. This concludes your CyberStreams system update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.